Hi, today I'm going to share with you how you can register and sign up on Digital Surge step by step. If you do have any questions, feel free to let me know in the description below. If you do want to sign up and follow along with me, there will be a link in the description. It is my referral code, but it comes at no extra cost to you. I appreciate your support. So the first step is I will get you to, if you're going to sign up to any exchange, the number one recommendation I would give you is to create a new email address. So if you're going to sign up to any exchange, so I'm saying just create one email address for all your cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, maybe you want to break this up to one email address per exchange, but it really depends on what you want to do. If you want the most security, then sign up to one email address and use that one email address just for that exchange and nothing else. So create a new email address and use it for one exchange and nothing else. Don't use it for anything else. Don't even sign into it unless you're on a secure computer, on your own computer, and that's how you keep your security, because your email address is like one of the things that they can get to. If they get to your email address, then they pretty much can get into your account, unless you have more security set up, which I'm going to share with you in another video. So first up, you want to come to digitalsurge.com.au. So this is an Australian exchange to buy and sell cryptocurrencies from. And what you first up do is just click the get started button on the top right, or you can just click on the sign up. So click on sign up. Now you can sign up with a Facebook account, but I highly recommend not to do this, because if you want to be secure, I recommend just to have a completely separate email like I mentioned. I will just sign up on Google, but if you have another email provider that you think is more secure, then feel free to do that. But I'll just Google search Gmail, sign up, create an account, set up your account here, just set it up, type your first name, last name, your username, it can be whatever you want, and then it'll be a Gmail automatically, you don't have to put anything else in, and then your password, and then just click next. Follow the prompts. Sign up to Google, create your account. It should be pretty straightforward. Then once you're on Digital Surge, just type in your email address that you wish to sign up. Click to I agree to terms of service once you have put your information into the correct slots, and then click create account. You can save your information here, but if you want people not to be able to go on your computer and pretty much have your account already prepared to log in, then just click never. Now you just need to confirm your email address. So what you would do is go over to your Gmail account that you just registered. So once you're on your Gmail account that you just signed up with, now you just need to confirm your email address, which is right here. I've just got an email. It might take a couple of minutes, so be patient, but it should pop up here. Click on that email and then just click on confirm your email. Now you just click on verify the email address. So the next step is now to verify your account. Verify your identification. Now they have to do this for legal reasons. It is nothing to do with trying to get your ID. And then they're forced to pretty much get your ID. Otherwise they can't operate. So next step is you verify your account. You can do whatever one you are right here, but we are personal. Most people will be personal. So just go on personal. Now just put your phone number in here and you'll confirm, you'll get the verification code. It's just another security thing to secure it. So if people get into your account, this is another way it'll secure your account. So get your verification code. So now you just have to go onto your phone and put in the code that they've just sent you. So it should be 6 numbers. And that's how easy it is. Alright, so now the next step is to now verify your identification. So you just click on personal, where you live. So this is for Australians and New Zealanders. Just click on wherever you're from. Then just fill in the information just as I share with you below, and then click continue. And then you will just put in your address where you live. Then you will just click continue. And then you should have your account verified. So once you have completed those steps, your account should now be fully verified, just as mine is right here. And it should be just like this. It will show nothing here because you haven't added any money. And that's how simple it is to sign up on Digital Surge. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the description below, and I'll be happy to help you out.